Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, welcome to my special Christmas series where I'm talking everything about Christmas, holidays and New Year. I am sharing 11 videos with you guys back to back. Yes guys, from 21st of December to 31st of December, I have been sharing a lot of videos related to Christmas and New Year. So if you want to check that out and you haven't watched the videos yet, I would leave a link for the series in the description box below so that you can watch them. Also, press that bell icon near the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. Today I'm here to talk about how I made my vision board for the year 2021. So yes guys, vision board is basically a board where I am planning my vision for 2021. I am putting out things that are going to be on my to-do list, that are going to be on my goals and bucket list that I really want to achieve in this year. And that's how we create a vision board. Vision boards are basically meant to have your goals in front of your eyes, to manifest them, to believe in them, to work for them every single day. And that's how your goals are achievable and they actually come into reality. I know 2020 was not a great year as such for any of us, and hence I'm really hopeful about 2021 that it's going to be a better year where it's going to be easy for all of us because we have suffered so much, like personal loss, professional loss throughout 2020, that I really don't want the same to happen in 2021. And I really want it to get easier for all of us in every phase of our life. I've seen so many people talking about the power of vision board and how they have actually achieved their dreams. So I just thought of trying it for myself this year, and hence I made this vision board. I'm extremely excited and hopeful for 2021, and let's see how it goes. Also, just putting out pictures on a vision board and putting out your goals on vision board is not gonna do much of a deal. You really need to work very hard for your goals and to achieve your dreams. And so it is really important that it's just not words but actions. So yes, keep that in mind, that vision board won't work for your dreams. You have to. Having said all of that, let's get started with the preparation of vision board. For your vision board, you need to start by answering few really important questions. I have written down everything in a diary. I'll also mention a few questions for you guys in the description box below. These questions should be asking you about your financial goals, health goals, fitness goals, vacation goals, and everything that really matters to you. The basic reason behind writing everything down is basically to get a clarity in your head of what exactly do you want in your life, what goals do you want to accomplish, and what are the things that you really want to manifest in this upcoming year. I also mentioned few different areas of my life where I want my goals to be divided into, and as you can see, I divided them into health, food, makeup, YouTube, Instagram goals, revenue goals, etc. These categories might vary from person to person and they are going to be different for each and every one of us. Starting with the board, I'm gonna be using this cardboard. It's very easily available in the market. You can use anything that is available with you, soft board, a wire shark board, anything that's available. I also spray painted it gold because I wanted to experiment and get creative. You can use anything you want and you can get extremely creative because it's your vision board. Later, I took some magazines that were available at my home. I tried getting some Feminas and food magazines to make sure to use everything that was available at home, I scanned the magazines thoroughly to find pictures that were similar to what I was looking for and that represented my goals. Later on, I printed out some pictures from Pinterest and Google as per my requirements and whatever things that I had for my goals. Later on, I just cut them all out, and yeah, I made sure to include everything that I wanted to be on my goal list. I also made sure to print out some nice inspiring quotes. So inspirational quotes are very easily available everywhere, but I made sure of taking only those quotes which actually related to me on a very personal level and which motivated me personally. So I made sure of cutting out only those quotes. After I had finally cut out all the pictures, I divided them as per their categories and then I started to place them. You can go about the placement as per your choice. I went ahead with whatever was important to me and as per the priority of the things. This step is all about your creativity. You can do it as per your choice and your preference. While making this vision board, I was really hopeful and I made sure to prepare this vision board in a very good mood where I believed that everything that I write down over here or paste for that matter over here is possible and nothing can stop me. Once you are happy with the positioning of the pictures, start pasting them using a Fevicol. For all the tiny little empty spaces, I filled them with some quotes. I took out some paper strips and wrote some very inspiring quotes by my own, and then my vision board was all ready. So, guys, that's how my vision board looks. I really find it very attractive and I'm very happy with how it turned out to be. There are so many things on this vision board. I'll just give you a quick tour of what all our things are there and how do I plan to achieve them. So yeah, let's just take a tour of my vision board. So that's how my vision board for 2021 looks. So I started my vision board by first placing 2021 in the center because it's about 2021, and then just below it I placed this hope card because I am extremely hopeful for 2021 and I really wish that it's a better year for all of us. Beside this, I placed this Instagram icon because Instagram is a very important platform that I have my content on, and for Instagram I do plan to have 10,000 subscribers by this year. Yes guys, it's a big goal and I really hope to achieve it this year. And on the other side I have this YouTube tag going on where I really want to achieve 50,000 subscribers. This seems like a very far-fetched dream, but this is something I really want to manifest for this year and I hope that it eventually happens for me. And yeah, I just hope that I'm counting upon. Then I have this thing going on where I've written thankful, and I am thankful for everything that I have in my life, and I continue to have this gratitude because ultimately gratitude is the key. I have this beauty section going on, so I had areas of my life where I wanted to achieve things. So for the beauty section, I would really want to be able to achieve such makeups look. This is Malvika Sitlani, and I really adore her makeup skills and such nail art looks. I love doing nail arts. If you don't know that already, and I would really want to achieve something like this. I would also want to try my hands in the hairstyling phase. So yeah, that's there. I would also want to achieve with a lot of brands like Nykaa, L'Oreal Paris, etc. So I have it going on here. In the health section, I would want to start doing yoga. I used to do that earlier, but I had stopped in mid 2020, but I really want to get back to it. I want to meditate, I want to have my peace of mind, which is extremely important. So health, by health I mean also mental health. And then I would also want to achieve the flexibility in my body, which is extremely important and missing right now. So yep, that's on my goal list. I would also want to start eating a bit more healthy food, which is not the case with me. So yeah, that's on the list. And last but definitely not the least, I have water on my list. So if you do not know me, I forget drinking water. I'm not able to achieve my water goals, and I really want this thing to be here, which reminds me to drink more and more water. Then for the travel section, we haven't been really able to travel in 2020, but I really want to travel in 2021, and hence I really have these goals assembled. I have few really nice pictures from travel locations that I really target upon, and I hope that I'm able to travel to these places, and also I'm able to chillax and give myself enough of break time, which is really important for all of us, so don't miss on that. Apart from that, in the food section, I have these few photos going on from some popular chefs, and I really target to being able to achieve such photography skills. I really want to work upon my photography skills, and also being able to create some amazing content for you guys. So these photos are there, that's why. And I would also again want to collaborate with some amazing brand in the food industry, so that's why these things are there. I also have some quotes going on here. So I've mentioned never lower your price, instead add value. So yes guys, that's really important. This is one thing which really inspires me and inspires me on personal level, hence I had this one here. I also wrote this, you got this, because in tough situations I at times do tell myself this, that I've got this and I can do this. Then I've written let the magic happen, because magic is really important. This whole vision board is about nothing but magic, and yeah, I really believe in magic and I just hope it happens. Then I've written this is my year, because I want this to be my year. I want 2021 to be my year. So yep. And I've also written achieve all your dreams, because I want to keep myself reminding that this is for achieving my dreams, and so that I do not deviate from my dreams. So this is a reminder for that. Next I've written get this shit done. So yeah, this is a badass boss girl sort of a quote, and I kind of liked it, so I added it here. Then I've written blessed, and I really feel blessed and thankful for all the things that I have and all the things that I have already achieved in my life, and that's why just gratitude is really important for me. And then there are a few other quotes: hustle hard girl, work until you no longer have to introduce yourself. I swear by this quote, and I seriously want to do this, where I want to work so hard till the time I really don't have to introduce myself. So yeah. And then there's dream big, work hard, make it happen. Yes, so these are all the motivational quotes which are inspiring me. And yep, I also have some Facebook bloggers and Pinterest icons going on there, which basically would remind me that I also need to focus on these platforms apart from Instagram and YouTube. So yes guys, that's my vision board for 2021. So guys, that was it about my vision board for the year 2021. I would highly urge you to try this for yourself. Even I am trying it for the first time, and I'm really hopeful that it is gonna work out for me. And yeah, you can definitely give this a try if you want to. Every vision board is going to be extremely personal to every person, so it is going to be different for every person. So really don't worry about it and get started with your vision board for 2021. I really hope that you liked my vision board for 2021. How did you like this video? Please let me know in the comments down below. Also, do let me know if you would want me to create more videos of this sort, and I would love to do that for you. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.